Okay, we're going to take a little break. Our first exercise break of the day. Where's Audi? Audi? Ah, there he is. Okay, so you've had the meal at lunch. You're anticipating the meal on the break. But first, we're going to give you a little seventh inning stretch. This is Audi Gozlan. He is the creator and star of a program that plays on a number of our channels, I guess almost all of them. It's called Kabalah Yoga. So in keeping with the Chai theme, this is the perfect gentleman to lead you into a little reviving exercise.
Yeah.
It's a good idea. Do you need them to stand?
Yeah.
Yeah, why don't
Please, let's stand in front of our chairs. How are we doing today? I hope you guys were not sitting all day, right? Getting out in the sun. It's so wonderful to be here once again on this stage to share from the heart. And definitely it's a very special year because it's the 18th birthday. And so, Patrick, can you play some music for us? We got a little video that goes with it. And so let's establish a foundation into the earth, bringing your feet hip-width apart, bringing your hands together in prayer into the mind. The secret code of 18 is Chai. And Chai is about tapping into your divine force, your Chai, your energy, your breath, bringing more depth, more awareness. Please visualize this power. See the letter 8 in your mind. And slowly from the mind, we're going to begin to move higher and envision that you are shaping into the letter 8. The number 8. Moses says letters and numbers are the same. Can you sing with me? Lord, get me high, get me high, get me high. Lord, get me high. Feel that infinity. A little higher. Higher and higher, higher and higher. Again, higher and higher and higher. Let's bring our feet together. Hands into the heart. Connecting to that inner voice, the calling inside. Create intentions and ideas. And so slowly, let's bend our knees together. Reach towards the earth. On an inhale, stretch your arms, coming into the power pose, the noon. It's about activating the energy of your Chai, of your Chai, of your soul. Straightening the legs and slowly moving to the left side. Yeah. On an inhale, moving to the opposite. Pressing into the earth. Inhale, high and over. Exhale, high and high. Into the sky. And again to the opposite side. Bring your hands into your heart. And feel the one of the 18, the 8 and the 1. And the 1 is all about alignment. The mind and the heart, the body, the sanctuary of your existence. And again, bending our knees. Reaching into the sky. Think about that 8. Boom. The infinite life. Ideas are infinite. The brain is infinite. The love and compassion we can feel in the heart is endless. Yeah. That's it. So we'll give you a little profile. Hey, my buddy. Jin. Into the sky. So slowly, I want you to move one leg to the back. We're gonna make some space. Everybody, like, stretch out. One leg to the back. Let's all be facing Moses. S'il vous plaît, Moses. And then stretching into the sky, pressing into the earth, coming into the infinity, so rounding. Think of the 8 and how much energy we want this year in our life to feel connected, to move in freedom. Beautiful. Slowly opening up into the warrior 2. And you know, we're making some space, right? The room is going to become like the splitting of the sea with Moses. Infinite space. There we go. Moses, you want to come up here? Let's stretch into the sky. Beautiful. Hey, up there. And then turn into that infinity. That's it. Opening your heart. It's endless. This is your moment. We're here for ideas, but we're also here for a flow. That's right. And so, stretching out the arms, and then crossing over. Beautiful. Inhaling, reaching, turning, reaching. Yes, everyone seems confused. Up and out. Inhale. Don't worry, nobody's looking. Well, we got you in camera, so it's too late. Into your heart. So bring your heels in and toes out. That's it. Now, from the heart, let's push the walls. No more limitations. That's it. Exhaling. Inhaling. That's it. Into the heart. Out. So let's turn. And turn. Whoa, somebody's getting knocked. Boom. No insurance here. No, I'm sure. But it's all from a place of love. That's it. And you know, I know tonight's the big birthday party, but hey, let's start now, right? That's it. Opening up into your heart. Now, coming back into the warrior 2. And you know, in honor of the chai, not the chai tea, but the chai energy, let's start to move in. Stretch out the legs, your elbows into the sky. Feeling, yeah. And then you'll be like, what? Why did we wait all day? Let's just do it. There we go. Opening up. That's it. Opening up. Boom. And open. And open. That's it. Bring your hands to your hips. So if you got a chair in front of you, you can bring your hands on the chair, or if you're right in the front, maybe we can lean a bit, bringing the butt. And you know, in yoga, the butt is like the face. It's the same thing. Oh, yes. No problem. I'll just scoot over there. But let's just feel and lengthening. Inhaling, opening the heart. Exhaling. One more time. Exhaling. Lifting up. That's it. And then bringing your feet together. Yeah. How are we feeling? How are we feeling? Are we high? Higher and higher, 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 higher. Let's sing together. Higher and higher, and higher and higher, higher and higher, higher and higher. Let's bring our hands together into our hearts. This is just the beginning. Let's bend our knees, stretching over. I would have made you do some handstands and all, but Wasn't sure how to do it with the chair. Let's twist to the left side. And then inhaling high, high, high. The opposite side. That's it, into the sky. Let's straighten our legs. Let's bring our hands passing through the gift of the Creator, the mind, and into the heart, the gift of Mother Nature. Listening to the sound of your breath. It's the sound of life. This is your power. Where will we deepen? Will we draw into expanding a beautiful mind, a heart that feels? This is our choice. And so this year, it's all about idea. And we're in the city of Toronto. And so, thank you. Bless you with chai, chai, energy, love, success, healing, and everything your heart desires. Shalom. Thank you for being in the heart.